This link is for handwriting, for a letter formation. We're at our last two letters this week, so Y and Z. Y, the uppercase Y, the lowercase y, and Z. Lowercase z is tricky. So I'm going to show you how we form our letters using our lines, our cat handwriting lines. Alright, so the first letter, the capital Y. Which line are we going to start at? The capital line, or the head, the top of the head. So we go line straight down, another line straight down, sorry, not straight down, diagonally down, and then a line straight down like that. That is our uppercase Y. And again, diagonal, and they join, and then straight down. It should sit nicely on the line there. The lowercase y should start at this line here, so it should fit in the body, but then it's got a tail. So watch this. Let's start it from here, and it sits nicely, almost like a U, but then we go straight down and sit the tail on the tail line. The tail shouldn't end up down here or very small like that. It should sit nicely on the tail line like that. Watch me again. We sit the first part on the baseline, and we go straight down, and we can sit that on the tail line. Now it's time for the last letter of the alphabet, the Z, the capital Z. So we start right at the capital line, like every other capital. So the top of the head of the cat. We go line straight out to the right, then diagonal all the way down to the baseline, and then it's another line that sits on the baseline. Z for zebra. Watch me again. Straight out to the right, diagonal down to the left, and it sits on the baseline, and then a line that sits on the baseline there. Right, lowercase z, this one is tricky. The first part, it goes around like this to your right, and the first part should sit on your baseline like that, and then it goes around a longer part that will sit on the tail. The Z goes down to the tail. This is tricky. Watch me again. It almost looks like a 3, but it is slightly different. So it goes down and then down again. Alright, tricky. Z for zebra. Alright, I want you to practice now. You can get your handwriting books out of the tub, and you can set a timer for maybe 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, if you know that you can form these letters really well, then you can stop doing the handwriting and click on another video. But if you know that you need to practice your handwriting, you can do that. And you might want to practice another letter too that you didn't get to finish before. Alright, happy handwriting everybody. It's Friday. Enjoy.